Now children, we are going to discuss the assignment that I am going to send you. Please complete the assignment in your English language notebook. Okay? And I will also discuss few sentences from the book exercises that I had asked you to do. Please complete the exercises. I will send you the answers and please match those answers with your exercises. If you have made any mistake, please correct your answers. Okay? So the first one, see. Rewrite the sentences by changing the number of the highlighted nouns. So you can see that few of the words are highlighted here. So you will have to change the nouns, the numbers of these highlighted nouns. But children, understand one thing. When we change the nouns, the numbers from might be singular to plural or from plural to singular, what happens is we have to make certain other changes also in the sentences. Like what I want to mean is that, like for example, I say the apple is very tasty. Okay. Now when I change the, here apple is a singular, the apple. So I am saying that one apple, I am talking about one particular apple. Okay. Or if I say this apple is very tasty. So I am talking about one particular apple. The one might be which I am eating. But when I change this into plural, but now suppose if I change this apple into plural, then what will be? These apples. So with the apple word, I am also changing this into these, because when I may write apples, then what it becomes? Plural, because we are adding s. So can I say this apples? No, this is a singular. This word, this is a singular word. So I cannot write this apples. If I write this, it means it will be only apple. So when I write apples, when I talk about the plural form of apple, that is apples, then what will I write? These apples. So children, you have to understand that when we change a sentence from singular to plural or from plural to singular, there are certain other changes also which we need to make. Now when I write these apples, then can I write is? Can I write is? These means more than one. Apples mean more than one. So can I write is? No, it is wrong. We cannot write is. So when I say these apples are, so we will have to write are in place of is in the plural form. Is it clear? So it goes in all the sentences. Like for example, in this first sentence, our horse is much happier wearing lightweight English saddle. Now when I change this into plural, I will change the, it is seen that we will change the number of the highlighted nouns. So we will change horse into horses. But when I say horses, then will I use is? No. Then we will use are. Okay. So what will be the answer? Our horses are much happier wearing lightweight English saddles. So we already have to change the number of these highlighted nouns. But along with that, we will also have to change the other necessary things. Okay, our will remain our, but is will change into are when I change horse into horses. So automatically is will change into are. Horses is plural. And is used with singular. So what is the helping verb that is used with, sorry, is used with plural? Are. Okay. Is it clear? Similarly, I will do 2 sentences for you and then rest of them you are going to do by yourself. Okay. Those cats never seem to be tired of chasing one another in and out of those boxes. Now, those cats, here those cats refer to many cats. Never seem. So see the verb seem, it is used as per the plural noun those cats. Seem. With singular what it will be? Seems. So those cats is plural. Many cats never seem to be tired of chasing one another in and out of those boxes. Again, those boxes are plural. Clear? So this sentence is basically plural which we need to change into singular. So what will be the singular? This cat never seems. Over here we will add one S in the singular form. Seems to be tired of chasing one another in and out of that box. Okay, clear? So in this way we are going to change the sentences from singular to plural. Okay, now we'll come to this part of the sentence. Choose the best word to fit into each of the following sentences. The men. So many, irregular noun, isn't it? Man, men, plural is men. Sharpened their. So when I say sharpen their, it means they will sharp many knives. So what is the spelling of knife? K-N-I-F-E, knife. Singular form is K-N-I-F-E. So you think the rule of changing F-E into plural? That is F-E changes into V-E first and then we add S in the plural form. So the men sharpened their knives before throwing them at the targets. Clear? So here you will have to change you have to choose the correct option that has been given to you. Read the sentence, understand the sentence and then you can fill in the blank choosing the correct option. Understood? Complete this assignment, children, in your English language notebook. It's written, do it in your English language notebook. So please complete it in your English language notebook. Okay. Now we come to the discussion of the book exercise that I had given you. I will send you the answers. Before that, I just want to tell you, I hope all of you have completed. But in case you have not, then I will be discussing the answers over here also. You can understand and do it. See, these are the plural nouns given here. You have to fill in the blanks. You have to write the singular forms of the nouns. Noun calves. You know that when a singular noun ends with F or FE, then it changes into VE in the plural form and then we add S to it. So calf is the singular, calves is the plural. Ladies, IES. When you remember the rule that when a singular noun ends with Y and the letter before Y is a consonant, so D is a consonant, then what we do? Then we change that Y into IES. You remember this rule? So in ladies, the IES you can consider as Y in the singular form and there is a consonant before Y. That is why it has become IES in the plural form. So what will be the singular noun? It will be lady. Similarly, gentleman is an irregular noun. So it will be gentleman. Box, children, you remember the rule? any singular noun ending with X changes into plural by forming ES at the end. Okay. So in this way, children, you have to fill in the boxes with the singular form of these nouns. Understand nicely. See, there are few words like trousers. I told you that this word does not have a singular form. Trousers is, the singular form is also trousers. So think, read the PPT presentation, go through the presentation, understand, and then do your work. Then we come to the next. Rewrite the sentences by changing the singular into plural forms and make other changes wherever required. I already explained to you in the assignment. The cook took the knife and cut the tomato. So in plural form, it will be the cooks took the knives and cut the tomatoes. So all the singular you will have to change into plural. The man took his ox to the field. The men took their. What is the plural of ox? It's oxen. Took their oxen to the field. Okay. So in this way you will have to complete all the sentences. Now we come to the next exercise, that is rewrite these sentences by changing the plural nouns to their singular forms. Make other changes wherever required. So first one is done. India won the cricket matches. India won the cricket match. The volcanoes on the plateau. See the spelling of plateau, children. T-E-A-U-X. So you can understand that this is the plural form. Erupted many years ago. So you will change the plural nouns into singular. The volcano on the plateau without X and without ES over here. Okay. The camels rested under the trees in the oasis. Children, IS changes into ES in the plural form. So the camel rested under the tree in the oasis is the correct answer. So in this way, children, understand the sentence, see the presentation, understand the presentation, and then you can complete your work. Okay. With this, we end our class today. Have a nice day. Bye all of you.